Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Are you prepared to learn a quick yet powerful workout that can reveal amazing advantages for your body and mind? What if I told you that even a short daily commitment to a single posture could have startling effects? Welcome back to our channel where we uncover the mysteries of health and fitness. Today, we're delving deeply into the age-old horse stance exercise. But first, what is the horse stance, which has its roots in traditional martial arts? The horse stance, or Mao, is a basic posture that improves balance, strength, and endurance. Let's dive right in and examine the amazing advantages of using the horse stance on a daily basis. 1. Gives your legs more energy. Let's start by discussing the benefits of the horse stance for your legs. This workout is a great way to build strength in your lower body. Imagine this. Your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves all contract with effort as you lower yourself into the stance, helping to maintain your balance and steadiness. Your quadriceps, which are the muscles at the front of your thighs, bear the weight with each hold, providing you with the strength you need to maintain a low and steady position. Your glutes contract to keep your body in a squat-like position, while your hamstrings support and balance the movement behind them. 2. Constructing a steel core. However, the advantages don't end there. You'll sense it in your very being as you become proficient in this role. Your abs and obliques must contract in order to maintain your body's stability, resulting in a workout that supports both your legs and core. Maintaining proper posture in all facets of life is made easier by this core engagement, which also strengthens your lower back and keeps your spine in alignment. This core stability eventually results in better balance and a strong, stable midsection, which improves your performance in other activities. 3. Mastery of the mind. Did you ever hear the saying mind over matter? Maintaining the horse stance puts your mental and physical limits to the test. You will require a great deal of concentration and the self-control to endure discomfort in order to maintain the stance. You're training your mind to withstand the temptation to give up as you practice, in addition to your body. Exercise alone does not create this mental toughness. It permeates other facets of your life and keeps you resilient, focused, and disciplined. 4. Increased vitality and circulation. Additionally, the horse stance naturally increases circulation. You're promoting blood flow by maintaining this posture, particularly in your lower body where the muscles are working and getting oxygen. Your body's vitality increases along with improved circulation. Because the horse stance improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles, many people report feeling refreshed and energized after performing it. 5. Adaptability. Increased flexibility is just another amazing advantage of the horse stance. You can stretch your inner thighs, hips, and even your lower back by lowering your hips and adopting a wider stance. This flexibility gives you greater freedom in movement, especially if you're someone who sits for extended periods of time. Over time, these stretches improve mobility and reduce stiffness, making it easier to move and decreasing the risk of injury. 6. Accelerating the metabolism. Let's finally discuss metabolism. Because maintaining the horse stance requires a lot of muscular effort, you are burning calories even when you are not moving. Additionally, your body's resting metabolic rate rises as you gain muscle. Even when at rest, you burn more calories if you have more muscle. Without requiring a full gym session, this can help you lose weight over time and develop a leaner, healthier body. 7. The horse stance. How to master it. So, how can one become proficient in this age-old role? Begin by placing your feet shoulder-width apart and pointing your toes slightly outward. Maintain a straight back and a tight core while lowering your hips as though you were sitting on an invisible chair. For balance, you can put your arms on your hips or extend them forward. As you gain strength, progressively extend the duration of this position, starting with 30 seconds. As you continue, you'll notice how this easy exercise improves your strength, stability, and stamina. The horse stance is right there, a straightforward, effective workout that helps you reach a new level of mental toughness, flexibility, and general vitality, in addition to increasing your physical strength. For more fitness advice and health insights, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you found this video useful. Give the horse stance a try and share your thoughts in the comments section. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep going until the next time.